Hello everyone, this is Shelja here and you guys are watching my channel shilpbyshel. Today I'm going to show you a very beautiful form of art and most expensive art, that is a mixed media. Today I'm going to make a beautiful photo frame. That's how my photo frame looks like. It is divided into the two parts, and before moving forward I'm going to make the placements so that it will be easy for me to finalize it. These are some of the wooden embellishments which I got from the Chennai. I was waiting for these embellishments from a so long time. These I got from Expression Crafts, a well-known brand in the craft industry. From the back, I'm going to remove this and glass too, as I'm doing mixed media and I'm not going to spoil my glass, and later on we will fix that again. Now for the base, I'm going to start with the heavy gesso. This one is Finnabair Art Basics Black as well as white. It's completely your choice, you want to use which color. This is the most premium brand, that's why I'm using this. If you don't want to use these expensive ones, you can use any other brand gesso or chalk paint too. I'm going to start with the white gesso and proceed further with the black one. The reason of applying gesso first on the base is it acts as a primer and it makes sure that you can use the texture paste and colors nicely, and it comes with a very good effect. You only have to apply a single coat of gesso as its consistency is very thick and I'm not using even a little bit of water in it. Apply it all over in the inner part as well as the outer part of the frame. Don't forget to apply it on the sides too. Now let it dry naturally or heat set it. Now I am proceeding further with applying a single coat of gesso on all over the wooden embellishments, as I want to give them a black base. Now for the next step, I'm going to use Finnabair stencils. I'm taking my texture paste and palette knife and going to apply it on the background to give it a very beautiful look. Use the texture paste here and there on the sides of the frame to give a 3D look to it. Now with the next step, I'm applying crackle paste as a base second coat on the inner part of the photo frame. Apply it randomly with the thick layer and make it dry naturally. But I'm making a video, so I have to use a heat tool. Crafters, this is a calligraphy stencil. I'm going to use one more stencil head here and there to give it a random look. Let it dry normally or with the heat gun. Now with the next step, I'm going to apply texture paste black sand of Art Extravagance on the outer frame when the earlier layer dried completely. Apply it randomly here and there. Apply the thick layer and try to make it dry normally. It gives the 3D effect. Here is another tip while using the heat tool. Make sure that you maintain a proper distance between your heat tool and your project so that it will not create any bubble. As my texture paste is white and I want it to be black on the black portion and white on the white portion. So I am applying a layer of a black and white heavy gesso or a chalk paint on it, so that my base surface looks even, and while working with the colors, maybe chalk paints or metallic colors or waxes, the outcome of the colors come out to be amazing. Normally we make it in a single color, but today I thought to take a little risk and make it in a black and white. It will give the two opposite effects in a single frame, that is bright and dark. Make sure the coloring part should be done very nicely. Make sure that you do this coloring part on the inner and the outer frame both. Now adjust the frame from the back and fix it properly. See, the black and white effect is looking so beautiful. Now I'm going to paste this heart shade as my woodworker done its cutting by mistake. Now it's pasted properly. Now I'm going to start placing them. For that I use Finnabair Heavy Body Gel, as pasting mixed media with this paste makes it permanent forever. I'm going to give a 5D look to my photo frame. For that I'm using double tape under every embellishment. Use heavy body gel with the help of a palette knife. Don't use glue gun for the media, as it will not hold it properly for a long time. As I need black color flat base on it, so I'm using black color hard paper for this. To make it even base black color, I apply color on it. Dry it, then apply heavy body gel. Crafters, this is my theme based project, so I use clock, which refers to good time, mechanical embellishment, which means work, king size key, which means a person is king of his own place, wings, which means to fly high, floral stem, which means to flourish, flowers symbolizes to be happy or to blossom. I wrote a quotation with the stencil, "Life is beautiful and there's so much to smile about." At the place of the picture, I wrote a quotation because I don't want it to look empty. Now again I'm applying a black color on it to make it look equal. Now I'm going towards my favorite step, that is coloring. This is Inca Gold, Little Birdie Sea Wave, MX Color, Finnaber Art Alchemy, Little Birdie Metallic Color and Impasto Pink. I'm going to use Art Alchemy Impasto Pink Crimson. I want to give a beautiful peacock effect to this photo frame. So I'm using blue-purple family colors. You can use chalk paints too. I'm applying it with the stencil brush. If you don't have stencil brush, you can use old brushes too. Mix it with the blue color side by side, it will give a purple effect, somewhere it will give a blue effect, somewhere mix it. Now dust a mixed chroma burst Nile Lily Bloom powder. It's a beautiful metallic color from the MX brand in form of powder. Now spray water on it with the spray bottle and see the amazing effect. Then I use a second color, that is Galaxy Purple of the same brand. Crafters, very frankly speaking, I'm in love with these two colors. They are so amazing. Make a base of blue and purple by using these four colors. I want to tell you one thing more. Where there is a white base color, the outcome of these four colors would be different than the black one. I'm done with this blue-purple portion. Now it's a time to highlight it. So I'm using Lime Crush metallic color of Little Birdie. What you have to do, dab your stencil brush in the bottle, then dab it on a clean sheet. Then rub it over the area where you want to highlight it. Super easy, it's super easy. Now I'm using Twinny Glint color of Little Birdie. It is a bronze color, super beautiful to highlight anything. I use Vex too, which is optional, that is Inca Gold. The next part is the most amazing part, that are flowers, which I bought from the Little Birdie, beautiful roses of different sizes. Make a layer of white gesso on it. I got these wing parcel at very last, so I am coloring it right now. Paste these two of them with the same procedure, but here is a little twist. I am using heavy body gel as well as hot glue gun, both to paste it as soon as possible, as I was not having so much of time to wait to dry it completely, and then I would start with the next procedure. Color it similarly but not too much. It is not so important to use these much of colors. If you have only 2 or 3 colors, you can make it with them too. I just want to give it a peacock effect, so I use these number of colors. Now I use metallic paint of webinar, that is an opal magic, violet green color. It gives a violet green effect, and these are one of my favorite colors. And second one is pink blue. Crafters, this is looking super duper beautiful, but the camera is not doing justice with the beauty of these colors. Crafters, if you have an query or if you want to know about any craft supply or if you want to know any craft supply link, then please comment in the comment box. Crafters, thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Crafters, if you like my video, then please like and share it, subscribe my channel too, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Namaste.